click on the Add Record button to begin. Welcome to the Applicant Console tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through adding a record to the application form step by step. Let's start with the form headings. Channel Partner and Branch Office. Select your nearest branch office. After selecting the branch office, you can proceed to the next section of the form. Personal information. When filling out the personal information section, please provide your full name, including your given names and family name. Additionally, enter your date of birth. Lastly, indicate your relationship status. Mobile. Enter your telephone number and email address. Education background. Indicate your highest qualification, preferred intake, and the name of the English test you've taken. Home address. Street address, city. State/province/region. Postal code and country. Passport details. Include your passport number, country of passport, issuing authority, date of issue, and date of expiry. Application declarations and authority. Answer questions regarding previous visa rejections or cancellations. Agreement statements. Review and agree to the statements regarding the accuracy of information provided, disclosure of personal information, and understanding of AVS Global Consultants policies. Applicant's signature. Sign the application. Congratulations! You've successfully added a record to the application form. Thank you for submitting your application through the Applicant Console.